No, 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 no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, bro. Ah! But that's bad, bro. Ah, that's bad, man. What's good, YouTube, man? In this video, we're going to be eating 3 of the hardest candies in the world. In the first level, we ate the hottest gummy bear in the world. Look at that packaging. In the second level, we ate the hardest chocolate in the world. There you go. Okay, now my heart beating. And in the third level, we ate the hottest lollipop in the world. This might be the biggest one yet. I just want you guys to please drop a like on this video, bro. I spent $60 in total on each of these, bro. Taking these all cost $20, bro. I got robbed, bro. What the? What's good, YouTube? The gummy bear has arrived. Rascla. I may look black, but I'm white at heart, man. I do not like spicy food. I could barely eat peppers, bro. Spontaneously combustible. Is that a hazard sign? What you mean, bro? Let's read it. Lil Nitro, the world's hottest gummy bear. This product is extremely spicy and has the potential to cause skin and or mouth irritation. This is intended for adults only and should be kept out of reach of children and pets. Like, what's making it so hot? I'm trying to figure it out. Citric acid, sodium benzoate, chili extract, 9 million chew chili extract. From Flamethrower Candy Company comes the next experience for those who seek the heat. Lil Nitro has been infused with our signature 9 million Scoville unit chili extract, making him 900 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper. Do you dare this fiery gummy bear? Let's bust it open. Let's bust it open, man. Let's bust it open. Am I gonna regret this check? You can't cop out now, bruh. You can't cop out now, man. Pop it open. It comes with a dynamite package. Look at that packaging. That's low-key cool, man. She got some grip. I wanna smell it. Hold on. It's like it's clearing my sinuses a little bit just by the stench, man. What do we got in our hand? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, shit. Bro, how harmful could this little nigga be, bro? He's so cute, bro. Chew 20 times. Stand still for 1 minute. And then sing Justin Bieber. Chat, can I do that? Ready? Count down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. 19, 20. I can't swallow it. It takes too many chews. 1 minute. Oh. Oh yeah, man. All right, you little. Come on, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Justin Bieber. Okay. Oh, shut up. Baby. Oh, like baby. Nonchalant. Ooh, I can't be nonchalant. Oh, nigga, that's not even the same song. My stomach. Bro, I might fart out of a fireball, bro. Yo, it's not going like away fully though. It comes back. This shit like a toxic ex, bro. This shit keeps spinning back. Yo, who's that nigga in the chat that said I was gonna get serious bodily injuries, bro? Who said that, bro? But who? Oh! What's good, YouTube, man? My heart's racing. As y'all just seen, I ate the gummy bear, but that was a little bit ago, man. Hottest chocolate challenge. Unleash the heat. taste the hottest chocolate. Me bumper ass clap that. We got 1.5 grams of fat. I'm bulking though. What are these ingredients, bruh? Cocoa mass, Carolina Reaper, Scorpion Reaper, sugar, fat, reduced cocoa powder, emulsive, soy, lecithin, natural. I don't even care. I don't even care. It's time to unleash the madness and join the cult. Enrich the heat. Let your taste buds be blown away. Spice not your thing? Don't caught up in it? What they talking about? Children or during pregnancy do not eat. Damn. I mean, who eating this while pregnant though? You might be stupid. The road to hell will be easy after this? Hold on, pause. I don't know what they talking about, man. Ooh. Bro, it's so small. Any last words? Yo, this nigga's bugging. Why they said that? Any last words? Reaper is waiting. I'll show y'all this box. Can you handle this deadly chocolate? Made with Carolina Reaper. Created for sheer pleasure of intense heat and pain? Short-term loss of speech. So they're saying I'm not gonna be able to read chat. Nigga, I'm the best streamer. Nigga, I'm reading chat. Melt on fire. Last time I felt like a dragon. Impaired vision from tears. Nigga, I'm gonna cry? Nigga, I ain't no bitch. Nigga, what they talking about? They saying I'm gonna be swearing. Oh, and then they got a coffin. That's crazy, though. Bro, what is this, bro? It's too easy, bro. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, now my heart beating. Yo, this shit is smaller than my pinky, and this shit was a $20? Yo, I be getting taxed, bro. Y'all better subscribe, bro. Y'all better follow up and subscribe, bro. It's going in. No! 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 I was right. That's on my tongue. I want to show y'all. That's nasty, though. I ate it. Oh, my tongue look nasty. My bad. This one's bad. No, this one's bad. This one's bad. Oh my god. 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 That's too easy. That's too easy. That's too easy. Come on. You see that boss there? You see that boss there? Should we eat the toe? Why am I burping? Ah, man. Yeah. Go away, man. Excuse my profanity. Nigga, we not done. Nigga, we not done. Flamethrower candy. All in one day. My dookie about to look all different types of colors. I'm gonna keep it a buck. This shit about to be hard. How am I gonna eat this? Let's read this one. Flamethrower candy, total Satan challenge. Can you survive 5 minutes? This product is extremely spicy. Has potential to cause skin and or mouth irritation. Flamethrower candy total Satan challenge is intended for use by adults only and should be kept out of... Yo, am I bugging? This product contains high amounts of pure chili extract and is to be handled with extreme caution. Consume at your own risk. From flamethrower candy comes to the hardest challenge on the planet. The toe of Satan has been infused with a 9 million Scoville unit. Chili extract guaranteed to scorch any mortal tongue. Can you keep the toe of Satan in your mouth for 5 minutes? Will you beat the challenge? Woo! Damn! This might be the biggest one yet. Me bumba clad. Smell test. Okay. I don't even know if I can smell right now because of chocolate, but if I'm not tripping, that shit just tastes like smelling salts. Hurry up, Dukes are watching. Oh. Hello, mama. Hello, mama. Hello, everybody. Family friendly. PG. I'm not gonna swear. Y'all boys ready? The hottest lollipop in the world. It's going down. 3, 2, 1. You're gay. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh! It's a long promise. It's a long run in your life.
He needs some milk.
No. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh my god. 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 But that's bad, bro. Oh, that's bad, man. Man. Oh. Oh, my stomach's hard, bro. My stomach's hard, bro. Yeah. I don't think y'all understand how competitive I am. At the end of the day, we gonna be alright. But I need to beat this challenge. I'm not gonna let the challenge beat me. I'm gonna sit back on this chair. I'm not gonna say a word for 5 minutes.
Hey man, it's Freak Bob. Thanks for answering. People usually don't answer. It's taking a toll on me. That's why I didn't call a couple times. They always say, where's Freaky Bob, but they never ask, how's Freaky Bob?
No challenge. No challenge can beat me. I'm gone, bro. After I filmed this video, I was in pain. My stomach was burning, bro. It felt like it burnt a hole through me, bro. Especially the chocolate, bro. But hey, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you sub up.